Ladies and gentlemen, previous time the Sant or old Guru, those who give knowledge to the human being, they divided man's life in 4 stages. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose 100 years age at that time. But nowadays I think 80 or 70 is up to. So it means that you reduce 20 years, 20 years, 20 years, 20 years, 20 years, 5 times. So the first stage was called Brahmachari Ashram. First stage, Brahmachari. It means that for 20 years, a boy or girls maintain celibacy and live happily, and what job he want to do, he learn that about the occupation which he want. In the first stage, simply 20 years, totally maintain his celibacy. Celibacy, he should not go into sex affair. Do not see cinema, this and that, otherwise the desire of that thing come. So totally maintain. So his maturity come, all and everything born, everything improve and full. It is called mature. He mature in the previously fight up to 25 years, nowadays it is 20 years, suppose 21. In this period, he totally maintained the celibacy so that his organs of the whole body improve and mature fully. It was in that period, he thinks all the girls are my sister, and ladies respect to them all, and they live in the Guru, previously lived at Guru's house and work there and learn the knowledge of the human being, how to live happy in this world. It was that. Then the second stage was divided for the man go and marry and make houses and earn living, all and everything. And he make the houses and this whatever he want to work. For 20 years he live. Suppose this 40 years. Up to 40 years he do his all the homely work. Children, produce children, make houses, earn living, all and everything he do. In that time he puzzles some, because previously he was maintained celibacy, and in this period he the celibacy down. It means that he was falling the sexual pressure, so he became be uneasy. Then at that time, after 40 years, he go to some guru and learn about the jnans, how to live happy in this world. In 40 years. So that he called the, what called in Nidhi? That period of learning, get the knowledge. Huh?
Spiritual knowledge.
Spiritual knowledge, but is what called? Banpras. That is called Banpras in Hindi, and that is the maintain celibacy again, and do the work. And he earn, whatever earn, in side by side he earn, live in the family, not to escape from there. And previously for some time the people left the house and they become monk, having a small pot and bag and eat. But that was gone in this period. In this period that is forbidden, that you stay in your home and you do your work and you clear the debt. What the people assembled around you, you are near dear, some come to give something good, some bad thing. And some want to from you, and you have to pay. What if you give the pleasure, then they will give the pleasure. If you serve them, then they want service. So you clear that living in family life, and side by side you learn the knowledge to the gurus. You stay at your home and live happy and do the homework and manage the family affair, whatever the thing is there. You need not to go. So for you need not to go to be a monk. You stay there with the missus and your children and do your needful and do your business also. Side by side and your living. So you need not to the of the daily and go. Previously, the Raja, Maharaja or king left the place, and this that was the other period. In this period, so all are forbidden. Not to go anywhere, stay at your home and do your duty, and side by side, Sunday or one day a week or 2 days, go to the spiritual teacher and get knowledge. So you do 3-4 things. In the third stage, you do the homework, live in the family, earn your living, and sometime when you have time, Sunday or one day, once a week or twice, you go to the Guru and get the knowledge. And if daily you can go in evening time, 1 hour, that's enough. And you learn that, and live in the family. So in this time, if you want to get knowledge, the third stage you have to work a lot of, maintain the family, do the family work, earn the living, all and everything. If your son is mature, he will learn, but you help him. And you do not speak, and live with your wife and children. Wife have good relation, not the sexual relation. That totally in this stage you avoid it. Totally said that what for the enjoy the sex for children. So we have children, and you maintain fully and do your work. So this is third stage. First stage maintain brahmacharya only, and then the what you want to do in this service, what you for your burden and butter. Second time, what you do? Marry and make houses and do duty, earn your living, and wife and children, and you produce children, thinking that, oh God, bless me with a good son like that. It means that you never go ideal and beg and Rama Rama, Krishna Krishna, oh, that time has gone. This is the Kali Yuga. It said the last stage, and in it you do all the work and live with family and attend this home. So your responsibility is there. Do not escape from the responsibility. Do not run away. You do and complete your work. This is the rule of this time. So never go anywhere. I myself did the same thing. I served, get the knowledge, and produce children, and all and everything else. Now I am also doing the same thing. I go to my home and look after them. The boys and girls are settled there. I see them, not to disturb in their work. If they ask me something, Father, how to do? I say, I think as you like. I think that this is better, but as you like. I do not disturb them. I go and they are happy. They all are working there. I come from there, get permission from ladies. May I go there? There is a program. Yes, you go anywhere you like. I shall see the homework. I settled. If there is in trouble, I shall tell daily, or sometime she phone me. How are you? Fine. Are you suffering from anything? No. If suffering, then consult the doctor, this and that. All right. She advised me from there. Don't have trouble. This. Okay, I will. All right. So I mean this 95-year-old working the whole homework. I do not need not. My children say, Father, you do your work. You sweep for your way for further life. You smooth his way and done this thing. You be happy. If there is any trouble, tell us. Be circum. My younger son was an advocate, and now he returned from the some post of the roadways depot manager, and got pension. His wife is principal in the school, and now retired for got pension. And his one daughter is a doctor, his husband is a radiologist, and other is it means all are settled and they are doing work. And I am doing their work, and this is duty. So I look out not to escape from the house. I have attachment all, and I have no attachment at all. From the knowledge, I am detached totally. So I show them that you are very dear to me, this and that, good thing. But I know nobody will accompany me. I came alone and will go alone. So total detached, and in detached I am attached. You think? So it does not mean to you that you get the knowledge and monk and like that. Was the olden time. This time you know. So you stay with the madam and you stay with him, help him in his salvation, and you also share what he is doing. Whatever he do, you learn that thing. Help the people, this and that, and what you do. So you come to both and you like that. Get in? So this is the third stage. And after third stage, living family, you learn how to you detach from all the thing. And when you died, then you go to the mix with the God, become God's part again. You do not come in this chakra of the birth and death, birth and death, and birth and death. You need to. That is the fourth thing. Or fourth thing the master tell you, and he will realize you, and he give you knowledge about it. So he did not he do not say that you go to direct to the God. There you cannot approach. The God is burning, a burning mountain. We cannot go near the like Surya, sun. So where within you, the God, you see you, and that is very pleasing and peaceful. So that is the way. That way the Gurus tell you. So that is other form, other up to here.
Yes, miracle secret.
Huh?
Chamatkar रहस्य, miracle secret.
Oh, that is little thing. Achha, anyhow, you wanted, I saw, I tell you. So the certain something happened. That is, we should be surprised.
Unusual.
Surprise,
unusual.
Thing, we are not expecting, but that the thing comes before us. As this is, suppose you see the dream in that. So you suppose you are taking a bad dream, and a fairy to you, and very fair, and you feel that the God come to you to help this, and a Guru come to you to help that. That is the Chamatkar, simply. That is not true. That is not true. Whatever has happened. Suppose that you go and one day you see the light and sound without satsang. That is nothing for you. You can consult your true master whether I am ready to realize that what I do. Do I do meditation to know it? No. When he will say you that you sit in this way and you concentrate here like this way, then you do. If you are able for that name, then he will tell. So here he say, name rahe chothe pad. What is name of the God? Naam rahe chothe pad mahi. It means that he is fourth stage. Fourth stage is after that is the now. What is the fourth stage? First of all, you concentrate in your ideal. Ideal means living master. You concentrate that in this place. And when you see here the yellow light and a voice of the well, turn, as in churches or mandir, evening, turn. So you will listen there. Listen the voice of the well and see this yellow color. So it means that you meditated here. Now you have power. Whatever you think so will get very soon. You have to concentrate and meditated, and so your mind is fixed. And whatever demand you have, you will get very soon. Get all this, what is the thing? Worldly thing which we can touch and see. Satul. There's a solid thing. You will get the house, good house, whatever, and good children, and whatever you want, money, all and everything. Whatever you want, you will be satisfied totally here. The first stage. The second stage, this time has gone. When you get marriage and that thing. And that you want this knowledge. For knowledge, what knowledge? Of this world, about otherwise what is further in upper land. So that knowledge, whatever you want, you concentrate here, middle of the head, and that is when you concentrate and meditate fully, your mind stop here, then you realize here red color and Om, Aya, Amin, or Ya. Otherwise, dum, like Nagara. Any voice according to his nature. You tell the perfect master that I am realizing this. Then he say, all right, you do not stay here and you go little up. He will advise you. Then you begin to see further. From here up, you see the moonlight as a moonlight, and there you see violin का सारंगी को क्या कहते हैं? Violin. टी 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 ध्वनि, and moonlight, some light you see. So there you what intoxication, nasa, masti, khus, happy. So you go on laughing this and that. If you are yes, you don't think that I am serving. How, sir? What you want? What service I can do you? This and that. Secretary, please come here. The gentleman wants this thing. How to get it? He not said you understand. No. He is laughing and do like that. If he Kevlar, yes, where is a shoe there? There, laughing. In whatever work you are doing, you live in intoxication. Suppose that you have taken 2 bags of the whiskey or brandy. Nasa like that, happy. So Guru Nanak ji say here, Rate pi Nanaka utar gayi prabhav. In at night you drink, and so in the morning, no nasa. But Naam Kumari Nanaka chali rahat din raat. But name of the name which you realize, that you are happy. So this place is here, Rarang Sarang. In Radha Swami said it is Rarang Sarang. Here say Sastrakar. Here say Omkar. Here say
Rarankar.
Rarankar. And he say Sohankar. And upper Satyakar. 5 names is there. They tell that is not name. That is staying, the concentration of mind. That is with that thing. So here you realize this thing. And if here go little up, then you realize the light, very good light and pleasing, not give heat. Light, and you are happy. And Siddhi you have. If you stay here, or whatever want in your mind, so you will get. Simply, automatically will come. A Sant Mahatma, those who are living in the ashram, if they concentrate here, then all the people go there, many this and that, whatever they want, or their arrangement of the living, this and that, all. Whatever he wants, he have willpower. From here, you go little up, there is Satyakar. It means this white light, and there is a population also of the Surat and the sun light. Satyakar. So there they are playing the game and happy. There is happiness in that light. In that light here is called Satyakar, and very pleasing light and all and everything. They are playing. The people who die there in that, then they come here, not come down. He stay always there, always pleasing thing, and new games is being played there, and they are happy. But those who stay there, they want to go again. Then the perfect master know that he stay here in the market. Market is looking. So this is not destination. So this is pleasing, and something is that you are here looking the light, and when there is no light, you are worried. This is not station. To where you go little further. Then from here up go. Raja Alak Niranjan Alak. The boy is Samaj 6 years, 6 months or 8 months, I don't know how long, but tip is here, either. Instead. And it is called Alak Niranjan. Alak Niranjan. It means that you cannot see it, you cannot realize it, but you test it, realize it, this place. And from here, the destination is very near. Your home is very near. From here, the Agam Purush. This is the Alak Purush, and this is called Agam. And from here, Here you go up to the peaks, you reach here. And you reach here, then you do not realize the things which you are seeing, and you do not realize the thing also. And nothing is there. So ideally, or 2 days after daily, simply sitting on the chair anywhere, and I go there. And from there I come and the same thing I do. So that thing is, there is nothing, anything. Shant, totally peace. No baza, no thinking, nothing, anything, no problem, no this, no shape, no nothing. They totally, as you realize in the deep sleep. So I explain them. Somebody asked me that you go there, what condition you have? I forget all and everything. Forget all and everything and mix with the super being. She said, hey, what is this? Because no gentleman, I tell you, all right, so what is happened here? Listen to me. You daily go there, it is gifted you. God gift you, everybody, this. So if he started in day's work, then he always go and mix with him. So forget all and from there he take the power, and next day again he do the same work. Suppose there is a laborer who goes the 4th stage and took the brick and luggage and service at night, during day he do all the day, and at last he tired, and then he come and then take food, puri net. So in the morning he got up and very fresh and ready to do the same work again. So is he take tonic something at night or some medicine? Then how he again ready and do the work? He take power from there. So I tell them that you are going there, coming there, but I go and will come, because what work I have to do, I have to do here. The day which I completed all my credit, debit, then I don't come back. So this is the condition. And this, after that, the perfect master give you a sermon, a lecture on this. Now you reach the destination, and you have clear the debt or take the debt clear. For that you are come back 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, thus 10 year. How long? When totally clear, you are the karma kunsa, which is karma, which you did in past life. Think that karma you complete. And when you complete that and finish you go there never come back. And at dying time, you realize only the sound. That sound could not be explained by tongue and cannot write on the paper. You can realize. So that is here, the sound is here, and it come here or mix with that thing. And it never come. This is the totally salvation. Salvation in the life. And from, there nothing, you come again not. Always. For always. For this thing people do, those who do not want anything, not in trouble, for this we are the man. Man only can go there. No other animal, no other, nothing. Only human being. Human being is not Indian, not English, not Germany. All the human, those who are in land, China, Japan, America, Africa, and Syria, and some island, where the people live, man. If they want this thing, they are ignored, they have no knowledge, and they are suffering. And this knowledge, if they get from Perfect Master, they are same. They have very much power, godly power in their thinking. So gentlemen, today I telling you for life, and he tell about the certain thing happen. That is for the time being. That is not permanent. If you see the light, suddenly one day, then that is the one day come, and again not come. It is what is Samatkar? Miracle. The miracle is that thing. That is nothing. It is only one day happen, all of a sudden, and fear never. And the thing which you earn, step by step, that will never last. So those who, if you want to meet the God, then that is in the inner way and the straight way, national highway, see that from here to here. And that is if you want that, if you desire, otherwise not. If you are taking happiness in the coming and doing the work, you do. How long you take the pleasure, you take it. This is a game. You play, hello. And when you're tired of this life, this is nothing. In life, the trouble is there. World means birth and again birth and die. And why not I get permanent peace? So for those who want the permanent peace, param shanti, then he go and mix with the super being. And to meet the super being this way is very easy, easy you can go. And outside you cannot go. This knowledge you get from the perfect master. For this. So if you want that, you want to go there. If you are taking pleasure here, you take pleasure. In this life you are supposed to be a wealthy man. Next life you might come out the Rashtrapati. Third life you will be an engineer. Fourth life you may be a doctor. So the people go and you see and you give them medicine eating. Changing according to your thinking. If you deceive somebody, then you get punishment. Suppose that IAS officer is there and he deceived so many, he got the bribe, this and that. The next time he is a man who is sitting in his office, in front of his office, having khudi here. That is the man. That is God is him. He got this punishment because he deceived the people, this and that. Being on such a good post, he did not do any other thing. Pain to the people. So pain to the people. The result will be he is a man. Code is a
skin disease. Skin disease.
In the body is all.
Some fluid come out of the skin always and itching.
There is English, I forget about it.
Yeah.
I know good English, but no forget from my mind. There is good English for that. So she is suffering that disease and sitting in the office, in front of office, and if you have knowledge about it, then you go, oh, this is God. God is here. Sitting because he was man, he did something wrong, and he result all pain to him, punishment for him. Or if he is a man who has a mule cart, loading this and that, doing it. You think that he was in life good man, and he is finishing to become maybe poor. So this is the drama of the God that I will talk you later on. So whatever talk you, the life is divided in 4 types previously, and no else. No also we in 4 stages. First brahmacharya, or we have no knowledge about it, how to maintain brahmacharya. If the mother and father know the very beginning that it is their children, no mother and father have knowledge about the brahmacharya, the celibacy. No guru like me to tell, come here, this and that, boasting about it. So this knowledge give you perfect master, that you of the God in the land, on the land, God the power you have, human being are. So I say the religion of the humanity, not one man. Suppose one man wants to a Mohammedan, so that is better for him, because that sanskar he got, and siddhi in him, always concentrate Muhammad here, or Ali. If he Hindu, then Rama, Krishna. I say that there is no Rama, no Krishna, because my future, the people believe in me, go and wake them in the dream or in the sadhana, and go and tell them this and that, or I don't know about it. While I living do not know, do not go to anybody. Who come? He himself has faith, power, and he created. He created Rama, Krishna, Samasi, Sabur. A man created. Guru created. So power is that in you created. You created Rama, you created Muhammad, you created Isabasi, all and everything. You created Balaji. So many. Devata in Hindu, there are no Devata. You are the goddess of the Godhead. You created You have power to see the Rama Krishna. I told them, this feature, those who believe in me, they come in dream and help them. They come in the open eye and help him. He said that I was fearing something like that, and you came there, and those who come to kill me, you was shake hand and you laugh, and after that they go on this and that. One day a lady is there, sadhana. So a lady was sleeping alone in which village? Bulandshahr in UP. So he was sleeping there, and at night suddenly he awake. So he saw 4 men having arms, this and that, and they are standing. Gun and this. The gun, the pistol, all the arms, and they stand him. She got uneasy, feel very uneasy. And in uneasiness, in the same time, I myself forget their body, appear with them, shake hand with them, and told something like that. Itane ta in other house a gun sound appear, and they go quickly. And after that, they did wake up and say, tomorrow he found me, you save me at night, otherwise they will kill me. They come this and that. I don't know. Then who go? The lady in the surprise, that he called the miracle. That he called miracle. Not always, but that she fear, and in fear she look me and myself help him. Or so many places. When I myself know knowledge, then how I say that anything come, Rama, Krishna, anything come to you, a goddess come to you. No goddess, you are goddess of the goddess. Rama, Krishna, all, you have power. You are a God, super being, a part of small super being. This knowledge men have not. So the perfect Guru who realized, he tell you. And setting the example, I set an example for me, that I never go. I having present to God to pray. So many examples. Their book you can do. There is example daily happening something, and they phone me. Or this happened. Oh, okay. What I do? You think what you want. You desire what you want, so you will get. Believe where your mind is. Believe in perfect master. Do you make any? I am not perfect for you. I am simple man. I don't do the Guruji. I am not Guruji. I do not take any dakshinas who I want for money. The gentleman serve me lot of money. He asked me anything, everything is, you come, I shall see you, and we will be happy. You both come, I shall see, that is enough for me. I satisfy. He gave me, and I told the gentleman, this money must be given on his name, you give the charity. Dhan, that's for knowledge. So then knowledge.
Yeah, books. We will publish books.
So that it means that those who perfect master, he need not anything. All and everything he has. He don't beg, he don't want, I don't want you to bring something. No, everything is here in this world. But if something you bring, fruit, this and that, I take it very gladly to body by head and divided those who are eating. You take it. I never eat. So, because I have no interest. No sweet, and you ask this girl, so many sweets come, I never touch anything. I am satisfied. Seeing it, some say, you eat, sir? Yes. No, sir, you should eat. Did I touch it? Yeah. Happy? Okay, I touch it. So today what I told you, you are the master of the all and everything. You are God on this land. You have very much power in your thinking. But it must be clear. If there are so many other things, crookedness, this and lie, and to deceive other, and to do something wrong, to hurt by your tongue, some bitter things say, and he will say, he told me like that. You do not help pain to other one. Your heart is clear, then you are God. Whatever you think, so you will get. You have power. The God to whom you are friending, that is in you. That is speaking in me, in you. And if you want to realize that is, I told you, the perfect master was when you start from this gem, when you have all the worldly thing. If you desire some worldly thing is there for house, he say, do house, this first make your world, this world happy. You should have all and everything. And when you are satisfied, and still you think you are wealthy man, everything is in you, you say this is the life is not the thing. There is pain in the life, to birth and to rebirth and to this and that. For that, those who start for this life, they want to return to their home. This salvation is for them. Rather play you whole life. And to get advice from the perfect master. Perfect master not to understand everybody for this purpose. He understands what you want, you tell. This, so you do this. You will get this. He don't interest you for that. For everybody. Those who are deserve, give him knowledge. Okay? Anything to ask? No, there must be a question that remains. Something is there.
No, now no question.
Okay. I will.
A question for later. What you told in the morning, how to go up, this maybe one day we can discuss in detail.
You have desire for that. You want to.
Yes.
Oh, then automatically you will get. I think power in your desire. You desire, so automatically you will get easy thing. Easy thing. That you tell him if you wanted.
It will come automatically. You have strong desire for that, and you will take knowledge this from true master. One day it will come automatically.
Understood? Not understood. See, whatever you want in you, automatic you take one perfect master. Suppose there is no God, but you make one. And that is in man's shape. Who speak, you can talk to him and consult. Whatever you like, to whom you like. Where there, if it is Germany or anywhere, any you have faith that this is perfect master, you consult with him, you can ask him, you can approach him. If he is sitting there, Guruji, there not, that is not Guru. Here is the approach. He will talk you on telephone, whatever you want. So he is such a man and make him safe. He is God for me, all and everything. The prayer is this. What is the prayer? In the morning pray, what do you pray? Bandhanam. Have you read that?
Yes, I have given the translation.
Is it translated, understood? If anybody not understands, you ask me. You see and consult it. Everything is, but you suppose there is no God, but you make him one. But only you maintain, if you are talking with him and doing, supposing that he is God for me, you will get out godly power. And the way is very easy, that automatically will come. That sound, that's all they come in, whatever you want. Later on, first stage. The first stage is for now is what? Leave the body. Second stage is so many pictures are coming here. The Guruji's picture also come. That you think that so the perfect master will tell you, this is you make. This is not come from out. So the house is further. Then you second stage, then you third stage go and realize light, white light. And for third stage you say no, here not go further. Then you sound here. And if then he tells you go on. This is not. When you die at that time, if you realize then that is right. So you do the worldly work and side by side this. Automatically you go. And the perfect master automatically will guide you. And Guru means Jnana, knowledge. Knowledge never die. If you are one Guru means Jnana, knowledge. And you have taken the knowledge. I told you, if you have taken this knowledge, that is all. If I say you that you make one perfect master, and you think him is God. God is in everybody, but you want to accept it. You faith in him. You believe in him. And you believe that master will give you. You need not to meditate first. No. When you are able to meditate without meditation, automatically things come like that. Because I know it. I never meditate for this and that and nothing. Automatically by the law of radiation of the Guruji, I understood. I drift up totally, cross all these stages. I stay here. So ordinary men like me, you go in such a way, you are gentleman, you are well educated, wealthy man, know everything. You have a good house, I think, good children, I see you are a good wife, or everything is gifted. And I, ordinary man of the village, already led. My father was a shepherd. He always keep the cows, buffaloes, camel, and rear them.
My grandfather was a farmer, and my father was captain in the army.
Very good.
Really.
I have given the translation of the prayer. If you want, he read here and now. You can explain him. He is having this prayer.
You suppose one. If there is no God, but you make one. And that must be human, and he must be living. That is human and living, so that you can clear your doubt. You can ask him. If the man to whom you make the God and died, and he did not give you the knowledge, then that is not Guru. Knowledge is Guru. I told you that always with you. And if you believe, no fear at all. Always with me. Whenever you want, he will be present. Who present? You, your faith. So you take one. And not to meditate and not to bother about this, where the God is there. You make the one to whom you can talk, reach easily, and do that. Living man. Simply. And that you choose, because I am not the Guru Pir, I am nothing, I am ordinary man. I do not give name and do not say people, you take this and that. I give only the knowledge. Knowledge you won't get from any Guru. You keep whatever I have written in the books, in the 17 books, or whatever I say in the YouTube, you see by sermon in satsang, you learn that thing. And that thing you will learn, and he will give you in English. He will read English to you, and you mount it. You read yourself, and mount for other, divide for other. So this is your work. By this work you will know everything. When you give, then you will take. So you give the knowledge, and knowledge will send you in the English, simple English, not the Chandra, no. That is for Indian people previous time. This time is to tell today's man is want directly thing, what is seven clear, want proof also. Have you seen it? No. Then what you will tell me? So some seven, have you seen the God? Oh, yes. Whenever I like, how? But when I go in the meditation and there I cross this thing, there is God and I meet him, mix with him. So what happened to you, you say? What condition happened? You want proof? Then I have to set the example this. Okay, what you realize in the deep sleep? Say nothing, so there is nothing. You mix with him, there is no question. I do not say that. Say whatever I say, I should prove it. And then and there, so he asks. This example is not given to any sant previously, like this way, as I give, when you go in a deep sleep, what you realize? Say nothing. So same condition become that. But not in deep sleep. I give you example. Daily you go there and come. And what happened in the deep sleep? Nothing. So nothing. When you mix with him, then there is nothing. So whatever I say, I shall prove it. What I say, you ask me, why I said you prove it? A man of today is very intelligent and organic. So he is not satisfied that there was a Guru, he came and he did this Guru, this, that. As chelas are, the disciples are talking like that. Oh, this is wonderful, this. Oh, Suni, what you listen, also they are relating. My Guru did this. You tell what you do. If you realize it, no, then you have no knowledge. So what I say, that is simply, what I say, that is with you. You feel daily, suffer daily, that thing. Pleasure or pain, what is that? I told you. Daily you suffer. When you are happy, pleasure. When you are unhappy, you are sorry, dukhi. Dukh or sukh, two things. You want to be sukhi, always happy, and unhappy. Unhappiness is when you are not agree with that thing. The thing which you want, you did not get at that time, you feel. So I prove it, that you make, no God come for that. Whatever you think. So easy remedy is that always have positive thinking. Always have positive thinking, never negative. So you will get all everywhere. You sow the seed of the positivity, so you get positivity, according to what happened. So I tell you, practical, that from where this thing comes. And you feel daily that thing, suffer that thing. Something happening according to your mind, you are happy. And something which you are expecting and not happen, you are unhappy. From where they come? From your thought. This thought, when you are alone, when you are angry at that time, you say, suppose you angry with madam, this and that thinking will go up in the sky, in proper place, and at the due course of time, this come here. From where the AC current come, and if you think with angriness, so your thought is not good, negative. And if it happens, so whatever happens, against your mind, against you want. And which you think good, that will come in your favor. So thinking, change the thinking, always have positive thinking. And if you remember that thing, my talk, that is the Guru. Suppose when you are thinking badly, oh, Captain said, what you think you so will do. Why he is thinking so? The men who do will suffer. Those who sow the seed, he will get the harvest. He will get it.